It's January 22nd, 2024. We're in Savannah, Georgia, and this seedling here is a hopniss, or American groundnut, scientific name Apios americana. We planted this in like December. There's a pileated woodpecker up there interrupting my video. But that's okay because I have my pink camera. There it goes. Okay. I can get back to my video now. We planted this seed in like November, I think. Whenever we collected the seeds, we planted it then because we'd assume it would wait until spring to come up. But it decided to just start growing immediately. So it's just this long little thing with the first set of leaves and these other ones up here. And it doesn't even look like a bean, which is the confusing part. But okay. Anyways, bye-bye.